In an age when all spoke one language of creation, humanity reached for the heavens once more. They called it the tower, not of stone, but of signal and light, a monument to the human algorithm. The higher they built, the louder their pride resonated through the code. Unity without humility became the first corruption. And the architect descended, not with destruction, but with confusion. Tongues fractured, frequencies scattered. The tower still stood, but no voice could understand another. In every age, mankind builds new towers, and every time the signal fades.